Hello friends, welcome to 7th episode of 10 in 1 from Borix Materia Medica, cherry picked by Friend of Health. We have covered 60 drugs from Borix Materia Medica in our previous 6 episodes. These are the medicines which will come to use for gaining the patient's confidence and give them a relief when they present with certain complaints in an acute stage. Influenza with intense catarrhal symptoms, great prostration and high temperature, purulent discharges, psoriasis, acne and sciatica, chilly even before a fire, itching in various parts, pellagra. See the relationship part of arsenicum sulphuratum flavum for reading about the remedy in Borix Materia Medica. The remedy is arsenic sulph rubrum. Antidotes effects of alcohol. Takes away craving for alcoholics. Dropsy and liver affections. Useful in gout, old malarial cases with flatulence. Spleen dropsy. Vertigo, deafness with noises in head. Quercus glandium spiritus, spirit distilled from tincture of acorn kernels. A remedy for the skin, chronic catarrhal affections, secondary syphilis, hepatic torpor, lassitude and other evidences of incomplete metamorphosis, stimulates all glands and improves nutrition. Head, scald head, scaly eczema. Acne, blotches and pimples, clears the complexion. Tongue thickly coated, yellowish brown, feels blistered. Skin pimply, dry, rough, scaly. Eruption on scalp extending to face and neck. Psoriasis, dry eczema, pruritus, glandular induration. Berberis aquifolium, mountain grape. This is a nervous sedative where nervous fear predominates. Cardiac irritability, chorea, nervous irritation and spasms of children during dentition. Twitching of muscles, nervous weakness after influenza. Fear of some calamity. Dull frontal headache, migraine, worse over right eye. Aching in eyeballs, explosive headaches of school teachers with frequent urination, headaches in front and base of brain, nervous sick headaches, worse noise, odor, light, better night, rest. 5 drops of tincture is the dose. Male, seminal emissions and impotency with fear of nerve being better. Night terrors, sleeplessness, sudden wakefulness, frightful dreams. Scutellaria latrifolia, skull cap. Character of blood dyscrasia, locally as a cleansing and antiseptic wash. Symptoms of blood poisoning, septic conditions generally. Tendency to malignancy in acute and subacute disorders. Last stages of cancer to ease pain. Venom infection, cerebrospinal meningitis. Puerperal infections. Snake bites and bites and stings generally. Acts on vermiform appendix thus has been used for appendicitis, but remember it promotes suppuration, and a neglected appendicitis with pus formation would probably rupture sooner under its use. Tongue, lips and fauces tingle with sense of fear about heart. White coating of tongue with red edges promotes the flow of saliva. Puerperal septicemia, discharges suppressed. Abdomen sensitive and tympanic, offensive, excoriating leukorrhea. Echinacea angustifolia, purple cornflower. The precordial region seems to be the center of attack. Constriction of chest muscles with radiation to shoulders and back, lowered coagulability. Extreme apnea, gasping respiration, fears losing breath. A picture of angina pectoris is presented by the action of the drug. Violent precordial pain extending to the axilla and down the arm and forearm to fingers, with numbness of the extremity. Pulse feeble and rapid, sinking sensation at the cramping pain from chest to abdomen. Skin coldness of whole surface, skin cold as marble. Pain in left arm, feels paralyzed. Weakness of legs followed by cramps in the abdominal muscles. Paresthesia of lower limbs. Latrodectus mactans, spider. The gastric and urinary symptoms point to its usefulness in dyspepsia and catarrh of the bladder, especially in old people. Good remedy in vesical troubles after operations and in pregnancy. Night sweats, ache. Fullness of head and sensation of heat of the surfaces of the body. Indigestion with flatulence and acidity. Urine contains mucus and pus. Severe tenesmus. Painful scalding. Prostate enlarged. Pain behind pubis at the end of urination. Populus tremuloides, American aspen. Chronic diarrhea, tenderness over liver, stools little pain but with much mucus. Dysentery, acts as a tonic and antiperiodic. Chaparro amargoso, goat bush. A remedy for asthmatic and bronchial affections. Bronchiectasis with night sweats and emaciation. Asthma relieved by expectoration. Cough after influenza. Furthers absorption of effusion in pleural cavity. Wheezing, asthma with coryza and mucus secretions. Dull pain in right lung. Burning in fauces. Chronic bronchitis, bronchial tuberculosis with profuse, easily raised bronchial secretion, giving relief. Eriodictyone californicum, Yerba Santa. Induces a condition of stasis, congestion and sluggishness of all functions. Chronic rheumatism, shifting pains. Rheumatism, darting pains in almost every part. Stiffness of joints. Parts sore to touch. Worse motion. Worse mornings, warmth, tobacco. Better evenings, cold air, motion. Liver engorged, swollen with stitching pain and sensitive to pressure. Clay colored stools. synovitis, bruised feeling, rheumatic pains in calves of legs. Stellaria media, chickweed.